When I tell you I am in the season. If you know somebody that's, a gamer, okay? You know these kids, they want to do the streaming thing now, right? Now, Dollar Tree has these LED mouse pads. How fancy. How fancy are they? I mean, they so cute. Look. This was the item that made me go viral. Okay, yes. So, this is the Wonder Wand at Dollar Tree. You get over 100 channels depending on where you live. Also, it's an HDTV digital antenna. All right, $5. Do you mind if I show you something that most likely you have not seen? I can almost assure you have not seen this.
Honey, now this bunny right here sure isn't acting funny. This is a rotating bunny. It also plays music, rotating egg decorating kit it is. It is gorgeous.
When I tell you this next item, it makes, the absolutely best Easter basket. Like, you need this in the Easter basket. Like I'm telling you, need this. Dollar Tree has this. These Peeps double wall tumblers, 3 different colors, $7. Great, amazing price point, and they are gorgeous. Right now, I just need to calm down. Honey, you haven't been to Dollar Tree? Look at all this stuff they got. It's so good. Fruit of the Loom, 6 honey, this Dollar Tree is fancy pantsy. All the way mancy. 6 of these for $4. Excellent price point. They have these Real Tea Cotton Essential t-shirts, 3-pack men's V neck shirts. They also have these t-shirts. Head, $5. Honey, they giving you so many selections. So there's no way you saying, oh, I couldn't find me a t-shirt at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is like, listen, we giving you so many selections. Come on now. Poor Bear Poor socks. Oh my goodness. Honey, take it away. These are $6. Love this any day. They have these gorgeous Marilyn Monroe. Honey, soon you're going to be able to get a whole outfit at a Dollar Tree, okay? Up at a Dollar Tree. Marilyn Monroe socks, girl quarter socks, 10 pairs, $6. Excellent. Didn't I say pretty soon you're going to be able to get a whole outfit? Because of the t-shirt, the leggings, and the socks. Oh, chill, they better stop. Honey, I'm just going to show you the infamous coffee cups at Dollar Tree. All right? The cup with the lid, the zip lid. Oh, yes. Honey, make your own coffee at home. 6 of these for $1.50. You want to see something fancy real quick? This is up yo alley, because you was a fancy one. Dollar Tree has the Coca-Cola, these cups. Oh yes, $1.25. Honey, in your face. Now, they also have the 2-pack plastic cups, $1.25. Coca-Cola. So to the Coca-Cola drinkers, that's for you. And just say, if you like, Dina, I'm still not impressed. Oh, wait to the rise. Dollar Tree also have Enjoy Coca-Cola. These bowls over here. Oh, are they fancy? We just out here styling and profiling out in PA. Look, you guys remember this? The pop-up containers, the lid, the airtight pop-up containers. You can have it airtight, or you can close it like this to keep it fresh. Chow. Yes, out of all the Dollar Trees I've been to recently, this is the only one that still has them. Now, next item up, soup containers. Oh, yeah. Now, they have the gray, and they also have the red. This is fantastic how they have the steamer push button that you can push so the steam could be released. They also have other soup mug. Look at the soup mug. Honey, in his word to the mother and the brother. Oh my. We in Dollar Tree, you know, just moving and grooving. Did you guys see this? The Tresemme Bounty Cross at Dollar Tree. Coconut Infusion, Hydrate, Contour, and Define. Honey, heat protection. They better stop playing with me. Also have Rich Moisture. Oh yes, honey. With systems, this is the shampoo, hyaluronic infusion, restore, replenish, and detangle. This is amazing. Now, this Dollar Tree has things that I have never even seen before, like the spa comb, okay? This is going to increase blood circulation. It is going to massage your scalp. $1.25. They not doing anything but just showing out. Dollar Tree is really showing out, okay? With this Sport Ultra, okay? Sunscreen lotion FP50, all right? Love this. Honey, if you guys are looking for some copper care, this is amazing. Copper care compression socks for feet, anti-odor, graduate compression, increased circulation. Honey, they just all types of fancy at this Dollar Tree. They also have the socks over here as well. Relieves from swelling and pain. Loves that. So if you guys have been looking, Dollar Tree is still carrying this. Yes, the Marcella water. Oh my goodness, this is excellent to remove the makeup off your face for $1.25. Where you gonna get that at? This Dollar Tree has everything, all what you need for game day. Look at this. Look at this. How fancy could they be? Look at this. Honey, you looking? Okay, now me personally, I'm a New Jersey girl, okay? But honey, they out here styling and definitely profiling. These are cute. I'm going to show you the oldies but goodies, all right? Because that's just the way I roll. Dollar Tree has Trouble game, Try Me. I had brought my youngest son, Javon, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Trouble game from Dollar Tree. Yes. They also have Sorry. Honey, you ain't sorry, but you gonna play some sorry. They also have the Connect 4. Ooh, on the go. Well, you know, this just Connect 4. Monopoly, Grab and Go. And then also, you want to buy some property? Honey, you gonna get you some Monopoly. You see where I'm going with this? These candle holders, these are so cute. Look how fancy. I absolutely love the gold. Another name brand, Crayola. This is the Bath Fizzers. This one is the Tropical Mango. Yes, $1.25. Look at the starfish. They also have the Sea Breeze Scented Crayola. Ooh. And if you want to get your body massage on, Revitalizing Body Massager. That comes in 3 different colors, of course. Pink, green is my thing, like a chicken wing, and they also have purple. And somebody, you know, they decided to take it out of the box, so this is pretty much how it looks. Dollar Tree got these nails, and I think you want to see. Honey, get your fancy on. I said get your fancy on, honey. Love this. And this. And also this. The magnetic. I love these. The powder finish is really cute.